Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about motor vehicle crash autonomy. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search motor autonomy, motor vehicle crash autonomy. When you search, the website page will be opened of motor vehicle crash autonomy. You just scroll down and click in this website motor vehicle accident. When you click this website, the page will be opened of motor vehicle accident autonomy. Motor vehicle accident. Motor vehicle accident are one of the leading case of serious injuries and death in the America. These accidents just don't happen. They are the most inevitability caused by a negligent, careless driving. If you have to load and one suffered in an injured or a death in a motor vehicle accident, you have the right to seek compensation for your financial losses and pain and suffering. Please contact us to speak an experienced attorney who can help you recover for your losses. Car wreck and ruins of the life. The victim may be have to disabled, paralyzed and suffer brain damage. These liability of the life and the fully has been for depend in the part of receiving the compensation needed to get the right of treatment and care. People injured in automobile accident must be aware for short-term limits for filling not fault and supplemental underinsured motorist called a CUM and claims with the insurance companies. Whatever you have to are in a single vehicle car crash, a two-car collision, a multiple vehicle accident or a stroke have we predicted our rules of are similar. If you have to a motorcycle when you have an injured, generally you have to not fault insurance coverage and you can but benefit from of at fault of vehicle liability insurance coverage. This is there are many such things as a car crash where is one of at fault. Yes, but it is a rare. The most of common cases of vehicle accident and rear end collisions, ignoring road signs and making driving unstability of the weather condition, failure to the yet and right way of you when turning left across traffic, speeding, drunk driving and simple intensity. Even if they are to no contribution of the driver losses control of the vehicular, driver usually could have to avoided the accident by driving at more reasonable speed for the condition. Overcome car accident clear serving the synchronized community and the unfortunate all kinds of driver exclusive and casing crashes. We know about how to defend such defenses. Our accident case of commercial trucks are different from ordinary car crashes. Yes, if the couplable for parties and commercial truck driver, you must have be sure to hire an attorney with experience navigating and complex web to federal of New York State and states of the regulation regulating such driver and their commercial careers. We have to example of experience for trucking accident. You does not hesitate of contact us regarding to your trucking accident claim. Now, in the car accident cases to the other driver insurance agent, it is likely to telephone to you, try and get the to recorded statement and about of the accident happened before you have to even head of hire an attorney. Don't do it and they have to not going to this help and but it is rather will be have to damage your cases. Contact us instant. You will be have to taken the insurance carrier adjuster on your behalf. What is non-fault and how does it affected my case? The New York Insurance Law 5102 essentially say and unless you have two serious injuries as defined under insurance law and instant you have to limit it to your no fault benefit, which is essentially consist of $50,000 is combined loss of wages and medical expenses paid by you. Fault policy of your car where is or if you have to work pedestrian of your fault policy of your car and stroke, no fault benefit may also be include payments of mileage and even of the fatally. You have to file no fault claim for within the 30 days of accident, so don't delay. The fault of apply if you have to work and motorcycle cases and so check with your lawyer. In no fault does apply on your have to serious injuries, you can not any collected to your fault benefit, but you have to can addition bring to a claim against in negative and driver be owner of the fault vehicle and caused by the accident for the pain and suffering. Compensation for a loss of wages and medical expenses covered by a fault of excessive of economic losses.